In this video, I will show you how to switch chains on Bullx. Currently, I don't have any filter on my chains on Bullx, and I can simply trade on different chains. To be able to change your chain, if you want to actually focus on a specific chain, then simply hit on the top left of your screen and the sidebar will pop up from there. So click on that. Now click on the chains tab. You'll find it above the new pairs tab. And here, make sure that you select the specific chain that you want to trade on and hit on the start trading button. And that is basically how you can change chains on Bullx. So you can simply select from that available chains and disable those that you don't want to actually use or view tokens from. And after you do that, you'll be able to get a more filtered view of your token list depending on your specified chain.